Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I have a special treat for you. Your word of the day is success, Virgo. Keep on moving forward no matter what you think and what you see right now. You never see the breakthrough. You never see the success coming. You know it's incoming, but you never know the time, place. You don't know the how. Do not worry about that. You're in the right frequency and continue to move forward in strength and confidence. I grow and thrive in the universe. Prosperity is on the way to you. I discover the purity of my heart. The higher wisdom guides me towards victory. I direct my thoughts towards clarity, nurture, and wisdom. Love, goodness, that's all within you. I'm free now, and I succeed in life. So direct your thoughts towards clarity. Think smart, think clearly because you're a genius. Nurture your wisdom because you're a genius. Love, that's going to attract your crowd. It's going to attract your people and your prosperity. And the goodness within you, that's going to keep you up and keep you going every day. That feeds the furnace so you can keep going and maintaining every single day. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.